Hello, this is Michael Rubin, and Harp L has been discussing the Carey Bell technique where he makes a crazy sound. And there was discussion as to whether or not he was using electronics. And I said no, he's doing it with his throat. He is using electronics in that he's singing through a microphone and a bullet and an amplifier, but no special electronics. And somebody said, please send a video. So, what you do is you say, ooh, ah, and you extend it. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah. And then you sing it. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Then you inhale. Oh, I did the extra thing. You put throat vibrato on it is the next thing. I'll just go straight to it. And then you do it through a microphone. And there it is. All right. Hope that satisfies you. You may disagree with me. Pretty sure that's what he's doing. See ya.